Tesla's full self-driving, or FSD, represents a breakthrough in autonomous vehicle technology. This advanced system uses neural networks and real-world data to handle complex driving scenarios, from highway merges to urban intersections, with the goal of near-full autonomy. Rather than purchasing FSD as a one-time feature for thousands of dollars, Tesla introduced a subscription model in 2024. As of December 2025, subscribers pay $99 per month, gaining access to continuous updates and improvements without a large upfront cost. Getting started with FSD is straightforward. You can subscribe through the Tesla mobile app by navigating to the Drive section or directly from your vehicle's touchscreen under Controls and Autopilot settings. Both methods offer a 30-day free trial for new users. This subscription approach ensures you always have the most current FSD capabilities, from smoother navigation to enhanced safety features, all while maintaining flexibility. Before you can subscribe to Tesla's full self-driving, make sure your vehicle meets the compatibility requirements. FSD subscriptions are available for Model 3, Model Y, Model S, Model X, and Cybertruck vehicles manufactured after 2019, all equipped with Autopilot hardware version 2.5 or higher. You'll also need to ensure you have the latest Tesla software and app versions installed on your vehicle and mobile device. This ensures compatibility and access to the most current features. Next, you'll need to agree to Tesla's terms and conditions for the FSD subscription. This includes consenting to data sharing, which allows Tesla to continuously improve the full self-driving system using your driving data. Finally, ensure you have a valid payment method linked to your Tesla account. The subscription will be charged monthly, and you'll need this setup to complete the sign-up process. Once these requirements are met, you'll be ready to proceed with subscribing to Tesla's full self-driving service. First, download and open the latest Tesla app on your iOS or Android device. Log in with your Tesla account credentials. Navigate to the Drive tab, then select Full Self-Driving. Choose the subscription plan that fits your needs. Payment will be processed using your linked card or Tesla account. Note that new users may be eligible for a 30-day free trial. Alternatively, subscribe directly from your Tesla's touchscreen. Start by accessing the Controls menu from the main touchscreen interface. Next, select Autopilot from the Controls menu to view the autonomous driving options. Then choose Full Self-Driving from the Autopilot menu options. Finally, tap Subscribe to initiate the process. This method mirrors the app process and enables immediate activation after payment is confirmed. After subscribing, your Tesla may require a quick calibration drive and a software download of up to 10 gigabytes. This setup process typically takes 10 to 30 minutes to complete. After subscribing to Tesla's full self-driving, the system will activate after a brief setup process. First, the software download begins. Connect your vehicle to Wi-Fi and ensure it's parked safely. The update, which can be up to 10 gigabytes, typically takes 10 to 30 minutes to complete. Next, you'll need to perform a quick calibration drive. Drive your Tesla normally for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the system to calibrate sensors and cameras. Make sure your vehicle has the required Autopilot hardware version 2.5 or higher. Now, familiarize yourself with the system by starting with supervised driving. FSD will handle steering, acceleration, and braking, but you must supervise. Watch for alerts and keep your hands near the wheel to intervene if needed. Finally, unsupervised modes like chill mode are currently in beta. While hands-free on highways, you must keep your eyes on the road and be prepared to take control. These features are still evolving and require active supervision. With proper setup and familiarization, you'll be ready to experience Tesla's full self-driving safely. Managing your Tesla full self-driving subscription involves understanding auto-renewal and how to make changes through the app or online account. Your full self-driving subscription auto-renews monthly unless you cancel it. Subscriptions auto-renew monthly unless canceled. You can manage your subscription through the Tesla app or your Tesla account online. Use the Tesla app to access your dashboard with profile and payment options, or manage through your Tesla account online, where you can view FSD settings. To cancel, navigate to the FSD subscription settings in the app or online. First, open the Tesla app or go to your online account. Then, navigate to the full self-driving subscription settings. Finally, select the option to cancel your subscription. Stay updated with the latest FSD features by keeping your vehicle connected to Wi-Fi. This ensures your vehicle receives the latest features and improvements automatically. Managing your FSD subscription is straightforward through the app or online, ensuring you stay in control of your driving experience. Sometimes subscription servers may face outages, especially during peak demand. If this happens, wait a few hours and check Tesla's service status online. If you encounter issues, ensure your Tesla has a stable internet connection. Check the connection status on your in-car touchscreen or through the Tesla app on your phone. Software updates may temporarily disable FSD functionality. Simply allow the update to download and install completely before attempting to use the feature again. If problems persist after trying these steps, contact Tesla support for further assistance. They can help troubleshoot specific issues with your subscription. Tesla's full self-driving subscription costs $99 per month in 2025, with over 2.5 million subscribers driving significant revenue for the company. Whether FSD is worth it depends on your driving habits and how much you trust autonomous driving technology. Ongoing software improvements and regulatory approvals continue to enhance FSD capabilities. Ultimately, weigh the monthly cost against the potential time savings and convenience benefits based on your specific driving needs and style.